educators and the people who are watching this video. Welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh and I'm welcoming you back to the MyView Board series. In this particular option, you have a method where you can directly use your browser. Now, the advantage of using MyView Board is there are a lot of content that MyView Board as a platform gives you, which are already there in the platform. So what you have to do is just click on the Chrome browser here. You can enlarge this, and here we have a number of options that you can select. For example, in case you want to use anything for content, you have Khan Academy. In case you want to use something related to labs, because lab requires a lot of simulation, you have OLA labs, and these labs are tied up with the CDAC Academy and Amrita Institute. So you get such lot of content which is already there under recommended bookmarks, which will help your content and your animation and your 3D process much faster. So in the upcoming series, we're going to talk about few of these applications and how it could actually enhance your current productivity. Thank you.